Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are very well. Dear students, in this video lecture, we will start our exercise 4.2 of 10th class NCERT Mathematics. Without further any delay, let's start. The first question is, find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. Means we have to find the roots of the following quadratic equation by the method of factor. The first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here the constant term is 10 and we know that 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10 and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, I hope you have no problem in this context. 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10 and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Here we can apply x square minus, instead of 3 we can write 5 minus 2 into x will be same, minus 10 is equal to 0. Now x square minus x multiplied by 5, 5x, x multiplied by minus 2, minus 2x, and this is also a negative sign. Negative will be positive, plus 2x minus 10 will be same is equal to 0. Now we have these four terms 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can take x as a common from first two terms. After taking x as a common, what will remain? X minus 5. Now from these two terms we can take 2 as a common. After taking 2 as a common, here we get x and here minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 multiply x, 2x, and 2 multiply 5, this will be 10, and positive multiply negative, this will be negative. Now x minus 5 and x minus 5 is common. Here x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have two linear factor. First one is x minus 5 and second one is x plus 2 is equal to 0. We can let if x minus 5 is equal to 0, then x is equal to plus 5, and if x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. Dear students, we get two roots. First one is 5 and second one is minus 2. We have a quadratic equation and we have to find the values of x. First value is minus 2 and second value is 5. Now the second question is 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. In this condition, we will find the factor of 12. 2 multiply 6. We will find the factor of 12, not 6. Okay, you have to remember this thing. Coefficient of x square and constant term will be multiplied to each other. Now 12, we will find such type of factor if their difference is 1. If their difference is 1. Now 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. I hope you have no problem. Now 2x square plus, instead of 1 we can write 4 minus 3 into x, minus 6 will be same is equal to 0. Here 2x square plus x multiply 4, this will be 4x, x multiply minus 3, this will be minus 3x, and minus 6 equal to 0. Now we have these four terms. Okay, we can take 2x as common from the first two terms. After taking 2x as a common, what will we get? X plus here 2. Why? Because 2x multiply x will be 2x square and 2x multiply 2 will be 4x. Now from these two terms we can take minus and 3 as a common. Okay, here we will get x and plus. Remember one thing, we have taken already negative sign as common, then both the signs will be different in the bracket. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, 3x. Okay, 3 plus 3 multiply 2 is equal to minus 6. Now x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2 is common, we can write here. Now here 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2, this is a root. And if 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to plus 3, because this is negative in left side, this will be positive in right side. Or we can write x is equal to 3 upon 2. Why x is equal to 3 upon 2? Because 2 is in the multiplication with x, this will be in the division in right side. Okay, now we can say that minus 2 and 3 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now we solve third part. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. In this equation we will find the factor of root 2 multiply 5 root 2. Root 2 multiply root 2, this will be 2, and 2 multiply 5, this will be 10. Means we have to find the factor of 10. Okay, such type of factor we have to find, their plus should be 7. Now 10 is equal to 5 multiply 2, 7 is equal to 5 plus 2. Okay, 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 will be 7. Now we can solve root 2 x square plus, we can write 2 plus 5 into x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. I hope you have no problem in this equation. Root 2 x square plus 2 plus 5 into x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. In place of 7 we have wrote 2 plus 5. Now root 2 x square plus x multiply 2, this will be 2x, x multiply 5, this will be 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now root 2 x square plus, can we write root 2 multiply root 2? Root 2 multiply root 2, can we write 2 is equal to root 2 multiply root 2. Okay, now 5x plus 5 root 2 we will write same. Now from the first two terms we can take root 2 as a common, root 2 and root 2. Okay, we can take root 2 as a common, and here power of x is 2 and here power of x is 1, means we can take x as a common. Total we can take root 2x as a common. Now here x will remain plus here root 2 will remain, because we have taken root 2 and x as common. Root 2 will remain. Here we can take 5 as a common. After taking 5 as a common, here we get x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now x plus root 2, x plus root 2 in both the places, means we can say that x plus root 2 is common. Then we can write only one places, x plus root 2, but here we can write root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have these two linear factor, and if x plus root 2 is equal to 0, then we can put x is equal to minus root 2. This will be a root of the given quadratic equation. Now from this linear factor we can put, if root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, then root 2x is equal to minus 5, root 2x is equal to minus 5, or root 2 is in the multiplication in left side, this will be in the division in right side. We can say that x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. Okay dear students, in the fourth part we have given a quadratic equation 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 equal to 0. In this question, in the starting we can take the LCM. Suppose 1 and 1 is the denominator of 2x square and x. Now 8 will be the LCM. 1 8 is 8 and 8 to the 16. This is 16x square minus 1 8 is 8 and 8 1 ja, because 1 is in the multiplication with x, this will be 8x plus 8 1 ja 8 and 1 1 ja 1 is equal to 0. 8 is in the division in left side, this will be in the multiplication in right side, means 8 multiply 0, this will be 0. Here we can write 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have this quadratic equation, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now we can check the factor 16 multiplied by 1, 16 1 ja 16, and we have to find the factor of 16. We can factor of 16, 4 4 the 16, okay, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 4 multiply 4 will be 16 and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Instead of 4 we can write 4 plus 4. 16x square minus, instead of 8 we will write 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 16x square, x multiply by 4 4x, and this is negative sign, means this will be minus 4x. X multiply 4 4x, and same thing with this 4 minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have these 4 terms, we can take 4x as a common from first 2 terms. What we get? 4x minus 1. Okay, now we can take minus as a common. After taking minus as a common, minus means minus 1. Okay, now here 4x will remain and here minus 1. Why minus 1? Because we have taken already negative sign out from the bracket. Now 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1, both the digits, both the factors are same, we can write 4x minus 1. Now here 4x minus 1. In this question both the linear factors are same, then on this basis we can say that we will get the same roots of the quadratic equation. If 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, then 4x is equal to 1. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 1, or we can write x is equal to 1 upon 4. X is equal to 1 upon 4, and if we put this factor equal to 0, result will be same. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, then 4x is equal to 1, or we can write same value, x is equal to 1 upon 4. Means x is equal to 1 upon 4, x is equal to 1 upon 4 are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. Now the fifth part, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. We can multiply 100 by 1. 100 1 is 100. Now 100 is equal to 10 multiply 10. Can we write 10 10s are 100, or 20 is equal to 10 plus 10. Instead of 20 we can write 10 plus 10. Now 100x square minus 10 plus 10 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 100x square, x multiply 10, this will be 10x, and after this side this will be negative 10x. X multiply 10, 10x, and this is negative side, means this will be minus 10x, plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have these four terms. We can take 10x as a common from first two terms. After taking 10x as a common, here 10x will remain, minus here minus 1. Okay, from these two terms there is no common term. Now in this condition we can take minus 1 as a common. Now here 10x will remain, and here minus 1. 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1 means 10x minus 1 is the common term. Now here 10x minus 1 is equal to 0, means we get two linear factors equal to 0. If 10x minus 1 is equal to 0, then we can write 10x is equal to 1, or 10 is in the multiplication in left side, this will be in the division in right side, means x is equal to 1 upon 10. This will be a root of quadratic equation. Now the second factor is same, then we can say that answer will be same. Now we can write here 10x minus 1 is equal to 0, then 10x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 by 10. Dear students, in the question number 1 there are only 5 parts. We have solved 5 parts of question number 1. Solve the problems given in example number 1, and you can check what is example number 1 in your NCERT textbook. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Okay, both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles now they have is 124. After lost 5 marbles each, they have 124 marbles. Okay, we would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Means we have to find the number of marbles initially they have. Okay, suppose let John has x marbles, then Jivanti has 45 minus x marbles. I hope you all are understand. We have let John has x marbles, then Jivanti has 45 minus x marbles. Okay, why? Because x plus 45 minus x is 45. You can check x and 45 minus x. If we add both the terms, x will be cancelled by x, and this will be 45. Okay, that's why we have let, suppose John has x marbles, then Jivanti has 45 minus x marbles. Now if they lost 5 marbles, then number of marbles will be x minus 5 and 45 minus x minus 5 respectively. Okay, initially John has x marbles, and after losing 5 marbles, total marble will be x minus 5, and initially Jivanti has 45 minus x marbles. After losing 5 marbles, the remaining marbles will be 45 minus x minus 5 respectively. 45 minus 5, this will be 40. We can write 40 minus x. Now according to the question, What is question? After they have lost 5 marbles, the product of the number of marbles is 124. Now we can apply the multiplication. X minus 5 multiply 40 minus x is equal to 124. X minus 5 and 40 minus x are the remaining marbles, and we have given the multiplication of these remaining marbles is 124. Now we will do multiplication. X multiply 40, this will be 40x. X multiply minus x, this is minus x square. Minus 5 multiply 40, this will be 200. And minus 5 multiply minus x, minus minus will be plus 5x is equal to 124. Now we can write 40x plus 5x, this will be 45x. Minus x square will be same, this is minus 200 in left side, this will be positive 200 in right side, means we can write 200 plus 124, this will be 324. okay, or we can write in this form 0 is equal to x square minus 45x and plus 324. Can we write? Minus x square will be plus x square in right side, 45x will be negative in right side because 45x is positive and x square is negative in left side. Or we can write in this form also x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Now we have this quadratic equation. Firstly we will find the factor of 324. Let's find 324. We can cancel by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. We can cancel by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. These are the factors of 324. Now we can adjust these factors to each other. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, this is 9 and this is 36. If we multiply to these two terms, we will get 324. And if we add both the terms, 36 plus 9, this will be 45. Yes, we get the factors. Now we can solve x square minus, instead of 45 we can write 36 plus 9 into x plus 324. okay, 36 plus 9 will be 45 and 36 9 ja will be 324. Now we can solve very easily. X square minus x multiply 36, this will be 36. X multiply 9, this will be 9x, and because of this negative sign 9x will be negative, plus 324 is equal to 0. Now we can take x as a common from these first two terms. After taking x as common, here x will remain and here minus 36. Now here we can take minus 9 as common and x minus 36. These two terms will remain is equal to 0. Why? 9 multiply x, 9x, and 9 multiply 36 will be 324. X minus 36 will be common. And here x minus 9 is equal to 0. Means if x minus 36 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36. If x minus 9 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 9. Okay, if John has 36 marbles, then Jivanti has 9 marbles. If John has 9 marbles, then Jivanti has 36 marbles, because the addition of total marbles is 45.